career is over. तो वो डिसीजन तो 2010 में मैंने ले लिया था। एक्चुअली जब मैं लास्ट टाइम यहाँ आया था स्पीकिंग अबाउट धूम 3, आई सेड एक्टिंग करियर हो गया, अगर धूम 4 बनेगी आई विल टेक टाइम आउट फॉर दैट।
हमारे देश की बहुत ज्यादा प्रतिशत जनता शायद स्टार बनना चाहती है। अगर हमें अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले तो मे बी हम भी स्टार बनना चाहें। सिमिलरली हर इंसान जो इंडस्ट्री से रिलेटेड है वो भी किसी ना किसी तरीके से स्टार या एक्टर बनना चाहता है। जिस तरीके की अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलती हैं वो डिपेंड करता है आपकी और आपकी फैमिली की फाइनेंशियल मसल पे प्लस नेटवर्क इन द इंडस्ट्री पे। फॉर एग्जाम्पल सारा अली खान बिलोंग्स टू एन एक्सट्रीमली वेल नेटवर्क्ड फैमिली। तो जिस तरह की अपॉर्चुनिटीज उनको उनकी फर्स्ट फिल्म्स में मिली विद सुशांत सिंह राजपूत एंड रणवीर सिंह इन लीड्स वर्सेस अलाया एफ who comes from a film family but maybe not as well networked as Sara Ali Khan. So the kind of opportunity she got with Jawani Janeman with Saif Ali Khan, which is a big opportunity but not as big as a Simba or Kedarnath. Versus if you see Vicky Kaushal's journey, who comes from a family where his father is an action director. Vicky started his journey as an assistant director with the likes of Anurag Kashyap, got smaller films like Masan, had to make a mark in those and then got bigger films like Sanju and Razi. So today we'll discuss actors who come from film families, got big opportunities but failed badly. Deols. धर्मेंद्र was the bona fide superstar of the 1970s and 1980s. उन्होंने मल्टीपल हिट्स दिए एंड ऐसी भी काफ़ी फिल्में दी जो आज तक याद रखी जाती हैं, जैसे कि शोले, सीता और गीता, यादों की बारात, मेरा गांव मेरा देश, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. Both his sons Sunny Deol and Bobby Deol tasted a little bit of success but never became bona fide superstars. देओल्स ने मिड 2000 से लेके 2020s तक स्ट्रगल किया बॉक्स ऑफिस पर, जहां फिल्में कम थी और मल्टीपल फेलियर्स थे. सनी देओल ने लास्ट कुछ सालों में अपने दोनों बेटों को लॉन्च करने का ट्राई किया विद करण देओल इन पल पल दिल के पास इन 2019 एंड राजवीर देओल विद पूनम ढिल्लों's डॉटर Palomi in a Rajshri production in 2023 named दोनों. दोनों ही फिल्म के लिए कोई हाइप नहीं थी. The films failed and no film offers followed. खान फैमिली. Similar to देओल्स, अगर किसी का सिचुएशन है तो वो है सलमान खान. मोस्टली जितने भी लोगों को सलमान खान के अंडर लॉन्च किया गया है या उनके साथ, उनमें से मोस्ट लोगों का करियर नहीं बना, जैसे कि स्नेहा उलाल इन लकी, जरीन खान इन वीर, डेजी शाह इन जय हो, साई मंजरेकर इन दबंग 3, अथिया शेट्टी एंड सूरज पंचोली इन हीरो, जहीर एंड प्रनूतन इन नोटबुक. बट अगर सिर्फ उनके फैमिली की बात करें तो जिनको एक्सट्रीम सपोर्ट मिला है, वन ऑफ देम हैज बीन आयुष शर्मा हु इज हिज सिस्टर्स हस्बैंड. उनको लॉन्च किया गया इन 2018 विद अ बिग फिल्म लाइक लव यात्री. फिर 2021 में ही गॉट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू स्टार बिसाइड सलमान खान इन अंतिम. Even after these big opportunities, he wasn't able to solidify his position as a lead actor and has starred in only one film named Ruslan, which most people don't know of.
हम दोनों का एक अनसेड कॉन्वर्सेशन है. आई थिंक कभी कहा नहीं किसी ने एक दूसरे को कि वो भी चाहते थे कि मैं अपने कोई फिल्म करूं. मैंने अंतिम के बाद एक डिस्कशन किया भी था जिसमें मैंने कहा था कि सलमान भाई, आप मेरे लिए जो कर सकते थे आपने कर दिया. अब ऑडियंस और ऊपर ही मेरा मालिक है. इससे ज्यादा आई डोंट थिंक सो आप मेरे लिए कुछ कर सकते. सिखाया, लॉन्च किया.
His sister's daughter, Alize Agnihotri. They launched her with a film named Farre in 2023. The film didn't get acceptance and we haven't heard of any more projects coming to her in the last 2 years. Khanna sisters. Superstar word was coined for the first time for Rajesh Khanna. He was the bona fide superstar of our country, and Dimple Kapadia was known as the actor of her times. If you come from such film royalty, sky is the limit for you in terms of the opportunities that will be presented to you. The two daughters of Rajesh Khanna tried their luck at films. Twinkle Khanna did multiple films in the 90s and nothing worked out. Neither the box office worked out and nor was her work appreciated in those films. She understood that she didn't have the aptitude to work in films and left it. But one of his daughters who goes under the radar is Rinki Khanna. She started her career with films like में कभी कभी and जिस देश में गंगा रहता है. Her last appearance was in a film named Chameli in 2004 as a character actor. Post her marriage, we haven't seen her in any movie since the last 20 years. Kapoor family. अगर एक फैमिली है जिसके मल्टीपल मेंबर्स को ओवर द इयर्स मल्टीपल अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिली हैं डिस्पाइट at best having mediocre acting ability is the Kapoor family. From Sonam Kapoor to Arjun Kapoor to Janhvi and today to Khushi and Shania Kapoor. But one person who didn't get maybe enough opportunities or got them but rejected them is Harshvardhan Kapoor. He was launched in a big film named Mirzya in 2016 under a director of the caliber of Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra. The film tanked and the work after that was sporadic. He has done 3 feature films post that and 1 short in a series. I may or may not be correct, but my assessment is that he despises the big money spinning Hindi masala films that masses pay money for. For any actor who wants to be a big star has to do these masala films so that they reach out to a larger audience base. Even for an actor like Aamir Khan, who's known to do nuance cinema, but where he does a dangal, he also does a Gajni. Even if you see the case of Shah Rukh Khan, where there is a fan, there is Pathan and Jawan. Likewise, जहाँ रणवीर ने बर्फी और रॉकेट सिंह जैसी फिल्में करी हैं, वहीं he has tried multiple times over to do these massy films, but has still tried to get them right. For example, he started with a film like Besharam in 2013, but failed. Then tried a film like Shamshera in 2002, but failed badly at the box office again. Then tried with a film like Animal in 2023, and that's when he hit the box office jackpot. So I think it has to be always a balance. You can't completely despite the whole genre, which is essentially what brings money to the industry.
It's not the Anis Bazmi kind of movies that your dad made that are the ones that you're a fan of, but it's the other kind.
I get into a lot of trouble for these comments, but I don't mean them in a bad way.
Yeah.
It's just that there are certain people, they like certain films, and you don't necessarily are over the moon when you watch certain film. But
You just blanked out the whole David Dhawan phase. And I know that you're friends with Varun.